Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into Pixel OS based on Android 14, running on the beloved Redmi Note 7 Pro. I know. A lot of you have been curious about this ROM, so let's get right into it. Before we start, I want to be completely transparent. I'm not recommending this ROM for daily usage. While it offers a taste of the Pixel experience, it comes with significant drawbacks that make it impractical for everyday use. One thing's for sure, this ROM nails the Pixel aesthetic. If you're a fan of stock Android and the clean, minimalist look of Pixel phones, you'll definitely appreciate what Pixel OS brings to the table. It's like having a Pixel in your hands minus the actual Pixel hardware. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, battery life. This is where Pixel OS on the Redmi Note 7 Pro really falls short. I'm struggling to get more than 4 to 5 hours of screen-on time, which is simply unacceptable in today's world. And to make matters worse, the battery stats are all over the place. It's like the ROM has no idea what's going on. Another major issue is overheating even with basic tasks. The phone gets noticeably warm. This is definitely not ideal for a device that's already a few years old. As if the battery and stability problems weren't enough, we also have Store and SafetyNet issues. The Play Store isn't certified and SafetyNet consistently fails. This means you might encounter problems with certain apps and banking services. I've encountered some really frustrating bugs with this ROM, and the auto-reboot issue is one of the worst. After shutting down the phone, it reboots twice on its own. The first time is normal, but the second time it goes straight into recovery mode. It's like playing Russian roulette every time you turn off your device. One area where Pixel OS doesn't disappoint is the camera. It retains the stock MIUI camera app, which is actually pretty decent. To wrap it up, Pixel OS on the Redmi Note 7 Pro is a ROM that offers a glimpse into the Pixel experience, but it comes with a hefty price. The battery life, overheating, and stability issues are simply too much to ignore for daily use. While it might be interesting to experiment with for a short time, I wouldn't recommend it as a long-term solution. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or experiences with Pixel OS, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.